Hello students. So after mitotic division or mitosis, now we are moving toward second type of cell division, and that is now meiosis. Meiosis, that is the reduction division. Now students, we know meiosis, second type of the cell division after mitosis, that is reduction division. It was discovered by a particular scientist. So discover or the meiosis, it is discovered by scientists. Name of the scientist, it is now Van Benden. Okay, so Van Benden discovered the process of meiosis. The term meiosis was coined by, two scientists, and that was now Farmer and Moore. So Farmer and Moore, they were the scientists who first time name given or coined the term, that is meiosis. It was our phenomena or process of meiosis. It was discovered by scientist Van Benden. Okay. Now students, meiosis, it will generally occurs in reproductive cells. So we know in reproductive cells, the meiosis, it is occurs. Again, in a reproductive cell where the meiosis, it will be occurs, it should be consist of even number of chromosomal sets. Okay, so particular cell, it should 2n or 4n or 6n and so on. Okay, so if meiosis, it will be takes place only when there will be presence of what? Even number of chromosome in that particular cells. Okay, means suppose a particular cell, it will have n number of chromosomal sets or 3n or 5n, means suppose there is odd number of chromosomal sets. In that case, in that cells, meiosis cannot be occurs. Okay, so in such type of the cell where consist of odd number of chromosome, odd number of chromosomal set, meiosis do not occurs. It will only takes place when there will be the presence of even number of chromosomes. Okay, now on the basis of cell at which stage meiosis, it will be occurs, there are three types of meiosis. Okay, so meiosis, it can be of थ्री डिफरेंट टाइप कि कौन से लाइफ स्टेज में, ऑर्गेनिज्म के कौन से लाइफ स्टेज में मियोसिस हो रहा है. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट देयर आर थ्री टाइप ऑफ द मियोसिस. सो देयर इज वन गैमेटिक मियोसिस. ओके, सो गैमेटिक मियोसिस इज देयर. सेकंड वन, that is known as zygotic meiosis. And third one student, it is sporic meiosis. So in this way there are three types कि कौन से लाइफ स्टेज में, ऑर्गेनिज्म के कौन से लाइफ स्टेज में मियोसिस की प्रोसेस हो रही है. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट देयर आर थ्री टाइप ऑफ मियोसिस: गैमेटिक मियोसिस, zygotic meiosis and sporic meiosis. Okay, now here students, the sporic gametic meiosis, it will be generally takes place during the formation of gametes. So suppose these are the particular cells. So here it is particular cell, and that particular cell, it will be undergo gamete formation. So gamete means suppose there is male gamete. We know male gamete, generally it is known as sperm, or female gamete, it is now known as ovum. Okay, so that mother cells, that is male gamete forming cell, sperm forming cell, female gamete forming cell means ovum forming cell. Such type of the cells, it is now known as meiocytes. So such type of the cell, that is meiocytes. A particular cells which are going to or which are undergo meiosis, ऐसी cells की जो meiosis में participate हो रही है, ऐसी cells को बच्चों हम बोलेंगे meiocytes. So that particular cells, when they will be undergo formation of gamete, the meiosis occurs. Meiosis occurs when? During formation of male and female gamete. Such type of the meiosis, it is known as gametic meiosis. The meiosis which will takes place during gamete formation, gametic meiosis. Second one, zygotic meiosis. Students, In lower organisms we know a main plant body or main organism, it is N in nature, that is haploid in nature. Okay, and when two N male and female gamete N and N, they will be unite, there is formation of twin nature of zygote. Now that zygote, it will be undergo meiosis and there will be formation of N nature of body which will be न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म. ओके, तो ऐसे ऑर्गेनिज्म में कि जिसकी मेन बॉडी जो है, ओके, इट विल बी हैप्लॉइड इन नेचर. से फॉर एग्जांपल इन ब्रायोफाइट्स, टेरिडोफाइट्स वी नो, particularly bryophytes, some algal members. Okay, so main plant body it is N in nature, their zygote it is 2N in nature. So zygote it will undergo meiosis and then there will be formation of haploid or N nature of new organism. Okay, so meiosis which will occurs in zygote, that is now known as zygotic meiosis. Okay student, next one, sporic meiosis. Meiosis which will be occurs during spore formation. So we know in plants, in pteridophytes or in gymnosperm, angiosperms, there is formation of spores, either microspores or megaspores. Okay, we know spores they will be produced from spore mother cell, or microspore it will be produced from microspore mother cell, or megaspore it will be produced from megaspore mother cell. Okay, so such type of the meiocytes, spore mother cell, megaspore mother cell, microspore mother cell, that is now the meiocytes, the cell which are undergoing meiosis, they are the meiocytes. So when such type of meiocytes, they will be undergo meiosis to produce either spores or microspores or megaspores, spore formation. Such type of meiosis, it is now known as sporic meiosis. Okay student, three types of meiosis on the basis in which stage that will occurs. Okay, gametic meiosis, the meiosis which will be occurs during gamete formation. Zygotic meiosis, it will occurs in zygote. And sporic meiosis, meiosis which will occurs during spore formation. Okay, so that are the different types of meiosis. Next student, now we know we have to study the process of meiosis. meiosis की प्रोसेस हमको देखना है. अब सबसे पहले meiosis की ओवरऑल आउटलाइन के बारे में देखते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. So we know there is a particular cell, suppose, and that particular cell, it is suppose 2N in nature, which will have suppose chromosome number 10. Okay, so suppose it is one of the parental cell which will be considered as meiocyte, which will be going to meiosis. So that meiocyte, it is now 2N equal to 10 for example. Okay, means diploid chromosome number in this particular cell, it is 10. Now when it will be undergo meiosis, reduction division, it will be first undergo meiosis 1. ओके बच्चों, तो meiosis दो पार्ट में होगा. meiosis 1, during meiosis 1 there will be now formation of two daughter cell from single cell. So from one cell there will be formation of now such type of two daughter cells. Okay, and in each daughter cell number of chromosome, it will be N equal to 5. In second daughter cell also N equal to 5. Okay students, so in this way in meiosis 1, first meiosis, 2N nature of cell, it will be undergo formation of two daughter cell having half number of chromosome like that. Okay, now in both the daughter cells there will be meiosis second. Okay, तो meiosis दो पार्ट में होगा, meiosis 1 और meiosis second. माइटोसिस में ऐसा नहीं हो रहा था बच्चों, माइटोसिस में सिर्फ एक ही बार माइटोसिस होता था. तो meiosis 1, after that both the cells they will be undergo meiosis second. So first cell, it will be undergo meiosis second, and there will be formation of two daughter cells like that again. Okay, and both the daughter cells again it will consist of n equal to 5 and n equal to 5 chromosome number. Okay, in second daughter cell it will also undergo formation of two daughter cells having n equal to 5 and n equal to 5. Okay, so that is the process during meiosis 2. Okay, students, so there will be meiosis 1. In meiosis 1, from one cell there will be formation of two daughter cell. Chromosome number it will be reduced into half. Okay, in meiosis second, again each cell it will be undergo division, meiosis 2 division, and there will be formation of four daughter cells from two parental cells. Okay, so in this way there will be meiosis, complete meiosis. Means in complete meiosis, meiosis it will be occurs two times, meiosis 1 and meiosis second. Okay बच्चों, अब meiosis 1 और meiosis 2 में से कौन से meiosis को हम actual reduction division बोलेंगे? So we know in meiosis it is also known as reduction or reductional division because chromosome number it is reduced to half. Okay, अब ऐसा कौन सा मियोसिस है, मियोसिस 1 या मियोसिस 2, जिसमें क्रोमोसोम नंबर एक्चुअल में इट विल बी गोइंग टू रिड्यूस इनटू हाफ? सो इट इज मियोसिस 1. ओके, सो वी कैन सी हियर इन मियोसिस 1 parental cell it will produces two daughter cells having half number of chromosome. So actual reduction division, that is meiosis 1. So meiosis 1 is actual reduction division. Okay, while in meiosis 2 we know parental cell having n equal to 5, it will be undergo formation of two daughter cell, again the same number of chromosome here as well as in second also. So meiosis 2 it is just like mitosis. Okay, it is just like equational division. There will be no reduction in chromosome. Okay, so in this way students, that is the overall process of meiosis. Means in meiosis from one parental cell there will be formation of four daughter cells, XHR. Okay, and in each daughter cell there will be half number of chromosome as compared to the parental cell. Okay, and it will occurs in two stages, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Okay bachcho, so in this way that is outline regarding with a meiosis division or reduction division. Now students, we have to study the outline of stages here. Again that particular stages we have to study the outline of that particular stages in somewhat detail. So if we study that meiosis, complete meiosis, so meiosis, reduction division, it will be occurs now by meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Okay, meiosis 1 it can be divided into karyokinesis 1, so karyokinesis 1 and cytokinesis 1. Okay students, so karyokinesis 1 and cytokinesis 1, that is the stages of meiosis 1. Again if we observe the karyokinesis 1, the stages they are now again similar to that of mitosis. Means there are again four stages, that is prophase, then metaphase. So prophase 1, metaphase 1, then anaphase 1 and telophase 1. Okay, so karyokinesis 1 it is divided into prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. Here students, prophase 1 it is now the longest phase, and again it is subdivided into 5 substages. Okay, so there are 5 substages, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 of that prophase 1. Okay, so the substages are prophase 1 की जो 5 substages है, they are first substage, that is leptotene, then there is zygotene, then there is pachytene or pachytene. Okay, pachytene or pachytene we can say. Then diplotene, and finally dikinases. Okay students, so prophase 1 subdivided into 5 substages: leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotene and dikinases. Then metaphase 1, then anaphase 1, telophase 1. After telophase 1, there will be cytokinesis 1. Okay students, now after completion of the cytokinesis 1, meiosis 1 it will complete. Okay, and after completion of meiosis 1, there will be a short gap phase. Okay, so there will be now short gap in between meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, that is known as interkinesis. Okay bachcho, so that particular gap it is now known as interkinesis. So in this way there will be not interphase but it is interkinesis. After interkinesis, that is some gap in between meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, now there will be starting of meiosis 2, meiosis 2. Okay, again meiosis 2, it will be divided into 2 subphases, that is karyokinesis 2 and cytokinesis 2. So in this way again there will be karyokinesis 2 and cytokinesis 2. Here the karyokinesis 2, it will be divided again into 4 substages. So that is prophase 2, then metaphase 2, metaphase 2 or metaphase 2, then there is anaphase 2, and finally telophase 2. Okay students, so there are no substages of prophase 2. There are substages of prophase 1. Okay, leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotene, dikinases, but there are no such substages of karyokinesis 2. So there will be just prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. After telophase 2 again there will be cytokinesis 2. Okay students, so in this way there will be overall view, overall outline of the certain stages of meiosis. Okay students, so there will be such type of the parental cell. That parental cell it will be undergo meiosis 1, and from one cell there will be formation of such type of 2 daughter cell in meiosis 1. After karyokinesis 1, that stages of karyokinesis 1, then cytokinesis 1. Okay, so one cell it will be divided into 2 daughter cell having half number of chromosome, actual reduction division. Then in meiosis 2, that each daughter cell it will be undergo again meiosis 2. Okay, then in meiosis 2 also there will be karyokinesis 2 and cytokinesis 2. In karyokinesis 2 there will be prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2 and finally cytokinesis 2. So in this way from 2 daughter cell there will be formation of 4 daughter cell having same number of chromosomes. Okay, so that are the outline regarding with meiotic division or reduction division. Now students, one more point to be remember in meiosis division. Here we know the before meiosis or before entering the cell in meiosis 1, it is present or it will complete in its interphase. meiosis में enter करने के पहले बच्चों सेल जो है वो इंटरफेज में है. Okay, and we know during interphase there will be duplication of DNA. So we know during S phase of interphase DNA it will doubles, or duplication of DNA or replication of DNA it will occurs. Okay, now when there will be meiosis 1 completion and in between meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 there is interkinesis. अब बच्चों इस interkinesis में फिर से वहां पर डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन नहीं होगा. देयर विल बी नो डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन और देयर विल बी नो डीएनए डुप्लीकेशन. डीएनए का डुप्लीकेशन फिर से नहीं होगा. इंटरकाइनेसिस में कुछ मटेरियल डुप्लीकेट होंगे पर डीएनए का डुप्लीकेशन नहीं होगा. ठीक है बच्चों. और उसके बाद में फिर से कैरियोकाइनेसिस सेकंड एंड साइटोकाइनेसिस सेकंड. ओके. तो इसका मतलब है कि मियोसिस डिवीजन में meiosis 1 में karyokinesis 1 and cytokinesis 1, so new as well as karyokinesis 2 and cytokinesis 2 means nucleus and cytoplasm divide twice. nucleus और cytoplasm ये दो बार डिवाइड हो रहा है. ओके. meiosis 1 में एक बार न्यूक्लियस और साइटोप्लाज्म डिवाइड होगा. meiosis 2 में भी फिर से न्यूक्लियस और साइटोप्लाज्म डिवाइड होगा. तो डिवीजन ऑफ न्यूक्लियस एंड साइटोप्लाज्म इट विल बी 2 times, it will be twice. But replication or duplication of DNA it will be takes place only once. ठीक है बच्चों. मियोसिस में डीएनए का डुप्लीकेशन सिर्फ एक बार होगा पर साइटोप्लाज्म और न्यूक्लियस का डिवीजन 2 बार होगा. ओके बच्चों. सो दैट आर द सर्टेन आउटलाइन स्टेजेस रिगार्डिंग विथ मियोसिस और रिडक्शन डिवीजन. ओके. सो afterward we have to study the details of each and every step which are involved in this meiosis. Okay. So karyokinesis 1, that are the certain stages of karyokinesis 1. Okay. Certain stages of prophase. So we have to study detail of each and every step which will be occurs, which will be involved in meiosis division. Okay. So in next time we will study about the detail about the stages of meiosis.